intellect is as weak as your tongue. You are made of
Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.
Are we moving her on the lift? Hell yeah. Whoa, JDM battery.
That seems smaller than the fucking Fit battery.
You're telling me. Jordan, do you know how to drive this? I'm gonna unhook the battery, Jordan. I'm gonna unhook it.
Probably shouldn't.
Why? Because it's active and will possibly electrocute me? Split her up on the lift.
That's what I'm saying.
I don't think we're gonna have any issue pulling in.
No, the issue is
Width.
width.
Here we are. Is it stable enough, you think? It's not going anywhere?
It's not going to shake off the lift from that. It's not going to.
That's what I call pretty quality right there. Hell yeah.
Brake fluid canister is, but found your airbox.
Oh, the brake fluid's not even in here. It's in the cab.
Oh, I couldn't find it in there.
No. I know where it is.
Alright.
Let me go get it. The problem is it's now up here, and I need it more down here.
Yeah.
But it's literally on top of the dash.
Oh, is that what that little clip in the trim piece is for?
I think so.
Alright.
Don't crush the chair. Okay. Do you know what filter it takes? I'm pretty sure I know you have it, but I forget.
Just be on the filter.
Yeah.
If it's not, then that'd be tragic, but I don't see why they...
I know you can get them at Honda dealers.
Yeah.
I just don't remember what size.
Honda filters are generally the same size. The only filter that's not is the S2000 oil filter.
Gotcha. Yeah, definitely want that filter out with the gasoline in it.
Yeah, you can kind of smell it.
You can smell the gas in it? That's always good. So what's our current status looking like?
Current status is looking like me trying to figure out a way to finagle this down and out.
My favorite. So do we have to take off those belts to reach the timing belt?
Yes.
Because the timing belt's right there, if I'm correct.
Timing belt, I believe, goes like that, if I remember correctly, because you'll have...
Yeah.
Yeah.
That sounds correct. I do think this engine is not as angled as the BeAT's engine, for better or worse. I mean, I know for a fact there's a lot more space back here. We're not having to unassemble panels like last time.
Yeah.
It's the funny Eurobeat car. Yo, whose Miata is this?
Can't really go that fast in this thing.
You can go faster than me. What are you talking about?
But I mean, like, this chassis-wise, it's stiff. It feels good. Like, it definitely feels real good. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
You're doing something right.
Something's good on it.
Work in progress.
I mean, shit, this thing might as well be a speed demon compared to mine.
I did the body work on this.
Oh, nice. You need a paint job.
No shit.
Yeah. Sorry that your paint job isn't as awesome as mine.
What color is that?
I don't fucking know.
It's like Nardo.
We can see in the color code. I don't remember which door it's on. It's NH92M is the color.
92M?
92M NH. Which should be Honda, which is a Honda code of some sort.
92 what?
92M.
M.
Yep, NH92M.
Gothic Gray Metallic.
What is it called?
Gothic Gray Metallic.
Gothic gray metallic. Well, you know, I gotta pick up them gothic girls in it. It's definitely the goal. You know,
I'll definitely pick something up.
you can pick up a lot of women, just not fat ones. I consider that a bonus. Hey, no fat bitches allowed. My car's too little.
It's too little.
Too little. You'll crush it.
Flip over.
You'll crush it. Oh yeah, I will flip over because it's top heavy and not stable at all in any way. No more engine mount.
Right now.
We can go look at that rubber while it's out, I guess. See how cracked it is.
Extremely.
As long as it's all there, it should still cushion. I think.
I'm standing as far back as I can.
Why?
Because I'm always moving.
And this man's... Yeah.
Hey, I'm breathing down his neck. What the fuck is that? That's a Miata after it's been eating fucking cheeseburgers. That Miata needs to go on a diet. God damn. Oh, that's a nice motor mount right there. Quality. Bye bye.
There you go. There's belt.
No more belt.
Right now.
I mean, that belt's gone.
As long as you don't move anything.
And we gotta make sure we put the new one on correctly, right?
Yeah, go ahead and get me the new belt.
Gotcha. New belt right here.
They have a mark here.
Yeah, I see it right
Yeah,
down
they have
there.
that little green mark there. Lines up with this up right here.
Yeah.
So the motor is not at top dead center right now, but it is in time. The thing is, you just don't want to move any of the gears at all.
Got it. So that's how this thing works. It's not as much how you put it on, it's where the gears are located when you do it.
Yeah, and it's like, it's very easy to mess it up if you
Aren't paying attention.
too much.
Yeah, if you aren't paying attention.
Yeah, if you're not, you know,
If you don't double, triple check,
yeah.
you will have a bad time when you turn the ignition.
Oh yeah. Good way to get this top timing cover piece back on his belt cover.
Oh, looks like we just did it. You did it! You did it!
Where's my prize?
Right here. The motor mount bolt is all yours to install. Hashtag blessed. Let's go clean this. Hell yeah.
Yep, go for it. Nice. Yes, sir.
Starts blowing up.
Nah. Just needs to warm up a bit.
That's the goal. We want to get all that crud out of there. Give her the best odds to survive.
Straight, stay straight. Stay straight. Stay straight. Straight, straight, straight. Stay straight. You're good. Just stay straight. Yeah, you're good. Woo!
Okay, you're good.
Yeah.
Straight.
Yeah, good.
Let's see. We're gonna be doing HH3 is gonna be what we're doing.
Click it again in a second, but I gotta
What's HH3?
That's the chassis code. If you were to go back, what other ones do you have? JDM. There's the BeAT.
600 BeAT.
Oh, go up? No, the 600. That's not a 600. That's a 600. See, that's the old one.
Yeah.
The Honda. That's not a K car. That was sold in Canada, but it's still cool.
Yep.
So you actually have the Honda S600 gimmick. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
What we'll be working with. You said
HH3. Yep. They should be all this. I think the steering wheel's on the wrong side, Chief. That's what everyone loves to see. That's what I call quality right there. Fantastico. Good old reversible linkages.
Yeah, it's a good old Toyota bullshit.
Oh, so does it have a live readout?
Yep.
That's interesting. So you do it until you do it to the, basically to what it said to do, which is what?
Green.
Green, basically.
Whatever green is.
I see. Oh, it's going now.
Damn, that was a lot for just that one turn.
Yep. Seems like 0.5 on both.
Yeah, that's if it holds in there.
Is it just kind of loose?
Well, not necessarily. It's more so just like it wants to keep updating its own spec. It's very slow too.
I see. There we are. Should be relatively aligned now.
Relatively aligned.
Good enough.
It ain't perfect, but I mean, it's close to spec. It's
Eh.
close enough that you can get for a 30-year-old van with fucking stock suspension.
Yeah.
I'm surprised it even held a good line.
Well, I already told you what I think happened. The fucking transport situation where it was bungee cord just bouncing the whole time. I think it was probably aligned back in Japan. And then, you know, my shipper just decided to bungee cord the wheels to his trailer.
And that is your alignment sheet.
Cool. We can throw it in there and never mention it again. We're on the floor now. Yay! We got the alignment stuff out of the steering rack. Here you go. Oh, I bonked you.
Good. And then to get off, basically just back all the way out straight.
Yeah, I'll be a little careful, but
Yeah.
shouldn't be too hard. So that should be part one of Acty road trip prep and road tripping a K car across the United States. As you can see, just wanted to make sure that everything was pretty much prepped and it was good to go. Should be. This taillight's being a piece of shit, but oh well. That's I know it works. It's just goes out because it isn't very stable. This thing just kind of knocks shit out. Oh well. But next part is actually road tripping it and roughly what you have to do. So yeah.